everyone, I am Dwenzle again and I'm here to demonstrate the activity tree given by Mr. Marnel Escabas, which is running message using LCD and Arduino Uno.
These are the components needed. First, Arduino Uno. Second, breadboard. Third, potentiometer 10 kilo ohm. Fourth, resistor 220 ohm. Fifth, LCD 16 by 2. And the fifth, jumper wires. So guys, let's start to demonstrate the running message using LCD and Arduino Uno. First, if you have already have an account of Thinkercard, click and open it. So first, Google and search Thinkercard and wait for a while to open the app and click circuits and then create new circuits. So first to get the resistor, second the potentiometer, the third breadboard, and the fourth Arduino Uno, and the fifth LCD 16 by 2. Resistor change to 220 ohms, and the potentiometer change to 10 kilo ohms. Oops, so first step 1, 5 volts of Arduino connected to the capacitor for the breadboard. I choose color of my jumper wire into red, and ground of Arduino to negative of breadboard. I choose color of my jumper wire and to black. So put the potentiometer here and the breadboard. Terminal 1 of potentiometer connected to the positive of the breadboard. Oops. Choose color of my jumper wire orange. Terminal 2 are connected to negative of the breadboard. I choose color my wire yellow. And the wiper of potentiometer connected the contrast of LCD 16 by 2 and I choose color my wire into black. Ground of the LCD connected to the negative of the breadboard and I choose color my wire into blue. And power of LCD connected to the positive of the breadboard, down to the terminal 2. And register select connected to the side of potentiometer. I choose color of my wire and to purple. Oops. Read and write connected to the ground of the negative and the breadboard. I choose color my wire into black. And enable connected to the side again of the potentiometer. I choose color my wire into the pink. LED cathode connected to the ground of negative sign and breadboard. I choose color my wire into yellow. And LED anode connected to the resistor, and I choose color my wire into purple. DB7 to DB4 connected to above of the register select. Resistor I put here into the breadboard. Positive to positive of the breadboard connected, and I choose color red of my wire, and negative to negative of my breadboard connected, and I choose color my wire into black. And after that, D12 of Arduino connected to the register select. I choose color my wire into purple. D11 connected to the enable. I choose color my wire into pink. And after that, D5 connected to D5 connected to DB4, and I choose color my wire into red. And D4 connected to DB5. I choose color of my wire into white. And D3 connected to DB6, and I choose color of my wire into brown. And the last, D2 connected to DB7, and I choose color my wire into purple, or pink. That's the final connection. Our outputs are Arduino breadboard to LCD and also the potentiometer and resistor. I'm now done connected. Let's click the code and search text and continue. And after that, delete this one, and I copy already my code. I paste my code here, and after that, that's my code. So let's click start simulation. And so I turn on my potentiometer, and you can see the LCD that the text is running message. CT318 microprocessor by Dwenzle Purgatorio. The code hashtag include and liquid crystal each. Initialize the library with the numbers of interface pins liquid crystal LCD and create an LCD pins. They void setup, void loop, LCD begin means set the display to 16 columns and 2 rows. You can see my output is already done, demonstrating running message using LCD and Arduino Uno. That's all for today, and thank you.